Yeah, we're being filmed right now.
Season 3, Trailblazers.
Trailbenders, dude.
Trailbenders.
Blazer is like an actual vehicle.
That's why I couldn't find your video anywhere online.
Trailbenders Overland is presented by Stock Media and supporting sponsor, The Waterport.
T-minus 10 days till I leave for the expo. Gonna see some cool places, still working on a route, and still lots of prep. One of the main things that I gotta do before leaving for the expo is clean the truck out, make sure everything is organized, and also finish building the rainfly. I do have a video on making a rainfly, but I'm gonna end up putting walls on it, full-length walls, and extend it out a bit so that it can cover the entrance better to keep us out of the rain when we're climbing up. I'm gonna get started on that. That's actually gonna be its own video. So you'll see that posted soon, if not already. There it is. Time to get to work.
Oh!
What's up, man?
What's up?
I'm headed over to 4 Wheel Parts to pick up a hijack.
Oh, you got one?
The Smitty, the same one that you have. Where do you want to go when I get there?
I'll look at the map today.
Well, take a look at some spots and let me know what you're thinking.
Okay.
Oh, my buddy Michael. Did you ever meet Michael Popov?
Michael who?
Michael Popov.
I don't think so.
Oh. He's gonna come with me, yeah.
Okay.
So. Alright, man.
Alright, man.
Well, I'll catch you later, I guess.
Alright. Later.
Alright, over here in 4 Wheel Parts in San Marcos. Time to get a new hijack. There she blows. They would let me film inside, so it's suddenly magically in the truck. Let's go pick up the new business cards and then go get this thing mounted on the roof. Now, if you watched season 2, you would have seen this Smitty built hijack on my roof. That was actually Steven's. We didn't have time to mount that on his hood before leaving, so we just threw it up top. Now I got my own. Let's get this thing open. Alright, so we got the hijack up and mounted. Next thing we're going to do is finish making the rain fly for the tent. You'll see a video for that out soon, if not already. An in detail vlog about it. What's up? We're here with Adrian at Waterport.
What's up, guys? It's Adrian with Waterport, here to give Dylan a little tour of what we got going on. Come on in.
This new Waterport design is probably the most exciting piece of new gear this trip. Let's check it out. But first, a special gift to Adrian for all his support.
What do we got in here?
Open it.
Dun, dun, dun. What? New Trailbenders gear
Check out that right
with
shoulder.
the Waterport logo. Yeah.
You're the first one
How
to
does it
get
look?
one.
How does it look?
That looks great.
Oh, we got the Waterport logo too?
There it is. Boom.
Nice, dude. You're the man. I love it. This is what it'll look like when you guys receive it. We pack up all the bar mounts together. You got your nozzle holder and T-slot nuts. Again, each one includes 3 mounting options. You have your trailer hitch mount, your bar mount, and you can also do your T-slot mount that'll slide again into any rails. This is Nissan's, Toyotas. Our bar mount also allows you to connect it on any bars. We've seen this on boats, RVs. Some of the motorhomes have the bottoms and the cargo bins. Just anything, or you can custom mount any way you want with our universal mount. It's got 8 mounting locations, so pretty much we figured out a mount for any situation. All right, guys, this is our new universal mount. Again, we got 8 mounting locations, 3 on top, 3 on bottom, and then 2 on the side. These 2 are designed for the new Ford cleats. You can either raise it high or low depending on where you want to mount it on your vehicle. For instance, on a bar rack, if you want it up, a lot of our customers will mount it on the bottom ones, giving them more clearance, or down low, just depending on the location and how your doors open up on your vehicle. We've also included a top hole. This gives you the option to insert a lock. One of the main concerns for our customers was being able to lock your system. When you insert a lock into here, it secures the plate and no one can take it out of your car. Again, so our little diamond on the front allows you to slide the tank on. So with our back bracket is a U shape. When this is mounted to your car, it slips right through. Lock can be inserted right here. Again, this will hold the tank in place. And then when you're ready to take the mount up, you're gonna grab the handle, pull up, and it'll slip right out of the universal mount. We've included a camo and a black neoprene sleeve. We've done this for added insulation. A lot of our customers like to put hot water in. You can boil it at the campsite, fill it with your home sink. Water's gonna stay warm in here up to 3 to 4 hours depending on the outside temperature. One of our other mounts is our trailer hitch mount. We've included a standard 2-inch tube. This goes right onto the back of your mount. All the necessary hardware is included. You can exchange it out with your bar mount or T-slot nuts. Again, this is all included in one kit. We're coming out with a new pump cap. The new pump cap's gonna allow you to insert it directly into the tank. This is perfect for self-pressurizing on the go. You're gonna find times where a garden hose isn't available or you don't have a bike compressor or a bike pump. This is gonna allow you to manually pressurize the system pretty much anywhere you go.
The trip has begun. Journey to the expo. So my buddy Michael Popov decided last minute to join me for the trip, and I am on my way to pick him up. It's about midnight. We're gonna drive into the night a little bit and find a place to camp, probably somewhere outside Barstow, somewhere off-road, not too far off the road, but somewhere cool. Someone asked me, what's the biggest thing to prep for the trip that I've had to do? And actually, I don't know if it's gonna rain, but the rain fly. Making the rain fly was a ton of work, and it's done. It's done, it's sealed, it fits great. But it's just, I'm not the fastest sewer in the world. But it's done. I'm happy. We're gonna check some nuts and bolts, make sure everything's sound once we get to Vegas tomorrow. Get the water ports mounted. We're super excited to have the new 4-gallon water port, the day tank, and it is awesome. I cannot wait to get them mounted tomorrow on Hawk here in our rig in Vegas. So. It's Mikey's. And we're off. Ready to go?
Yes! Let's do this! Shit, dude! So excited. Trailblazers.
Trailbenders, dude.
Trailbenders. That's why I couldn't find your video anywhere.
Here you are in a Trailbenders video, and you can't even find Trailbenders on the internet.
I've been so out of the loop from you, so
I know, it's been a while, man.
now we'll get to bond, catch up.
Rad, I know. Alright, go get your deodorant.
Okay. 2 minutes. How's this?
Open up Overland.
The first leg of our trip is a short one. Just a couple-hour drive to Little Creek Road, where we found a perfect first camp spot.
Camping.
Which is alright. We'll just go to the bathroom when we leave. We'll stop somewhere if we gotta go, right?
Yeah.
Or they go home. You done that?
I haven't.
You haven't? Dude, you're gonna do that this trip.
Digging
It's
a hole?
epic. It is, dude.
I wouldn't even dig a hole. I would just do it like an animal.
No, you gotta dig a hole. You have to dig a hole.
I guess
It's polite.
Yeah.
That's just common courtesy. I just do it like an animal.
First night camping. Here we go. I'm stoked to get some sleep. What about
Me
you?
too. It's 3:20 a.m.
Yes. And it's gonna be an epic journey.
It's gonna be rad. We're gonna see some cool stuff.
Are you ready, viewers, for this?
Are you ready?
It's gonna be epic.
I'm ready. Yeah, this is actually kind of a clear. That was a rad spot though, so that might be it.
It might be.
It's not overlanding without some dirt.
Oh no, that's for sure.
Okay, so here we are.
We made it.
So we're gonna get camp set up. We're skipping dinner. Probably skipping breakfast. Well, we'll have breakfast later in the morning when we wake up, but we're gonna go get set up. It's kind of cold.
A little bit, but it's nice.
Let's get to it.
Being one with the wild.
One with the wild.
Yes.
This trip proved to be the most inspiring trip yet.
Anybody want a peanut?
The journey to the expo took us to beautiful places, introduced us to cool new people. We found new technology and gear. This was an unforgettable adventure. So hold on, because we're just getting started with Trailbenders Overland Season 3, Journey to the Expo.
Wait, gotta look good.
All right, check your hair. Okay.
Do we look sexy enough?